Hi, Stellars! Welcome back to Tarot Tala PH. So, meron po tayong love reading. This is oracle cards na ginamit natin para sa mga Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of January 2025. This is a short reading lamang po. So, take whatever that resonates with you. Nakita ko dito na meron tayong wishbone. A wish is granted. And meron tayong dog barking. Advice from a friend. So, definitely merong magandang progression ang any wish na gusto nyong matupad for the month of January. And I also feel na this is coming from a friend na nagbigay sa inyo ng wise advice regarding sa wishes nyo. It could be involving money or in a relationship, no? And meron ditong mabilis na pangyayari. This is developing emotions to someone that's very special, no? Siguro meron kayong iniisip ngayon right at this moment when you are hearing or listening to this message, merong tao na parang na-develop ang inyong yung emotions nyo, nagpo-progress to romantic, no? Imbis na friendship lang ito. But you are really very patient here. So, hindi lahat ng mga imperfections or flaws ng tao na ito ay pinapansin nyo. No? Kasi parang nade-develop talaga yung feelings nyo. Siguro, niwiwish nyo na makapag-date kayo or niwiwish nyo siguro na papansin kayo ng special someone na ito, no? And, yes, napapansin kayo nitong person na to, and nakakita ko na, they're very close to you, no? Madalas, nakakita ko na medyo, lagi kayo naglolokohan, alam mo yun, yung parang nabibiroan kayo lagi, no? So, may mga, nakakatuwang bagay kayong ginagawa together. So, kaya siguro nande-develop yung feelings niyo for each other. So, this is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much for watching.